It's been a while since we've had an opportunity to do a complete revitalization of our office here, and we knew at this point in time this would be a game changer for us.
We renovated 3/4 of our office. We did it on time, in budget. We reused materials, and we have a much more exciting place to come to work.
The idea of providing a workplace that arms us for the future was our goal.
To create a space that is satisfying and collaborative.
This project began a couple of years ago on a Saturday. About 30 members of the organization came together to have a very candid kind of conversation with each other.
This is a complete reimagining of our work environment to create a space that is reflective of who we are today, of how we work, and of what we'll need from our office in the years to come so we can continue to serve our clients in the way that we do today.
We see that teams work differently. We see that people are ignited in different ways. We feel an energy and a buzz that we never had before.
If you walk through the office today, you'll see that the mission has been accomplished. You'll see individual workspaces that are infused with natural light and views. You'll see team spaces that extend from end to end that are accessible throughout the office. And you'll see direct connections between the various team members and the project leadership. It's architects, it's engineers, it's managers working together as one unit.
I think the piece that really transformed our interior was our activation of our walls.
In the new workplace, we've brought a lot of the evidence of our work to the forefront. Our projects and the creativity that we bring to our clients is on display at all times.
Now we have a lot more pinup space, magnetic marker surface.
The new buzz we have really fosters a lot of staff development.
The social spaces offer us a place to work, but so much more. It's an opportunity for us to come together whenever we need to and still find that there's project and there's work benefit that always comes along when we come together and we're able to talk to one another.
We are able to celebrate the core cultural DNA components that we feel are really part of who we are. Team commitment, engagement, purpose, the passion to advance a client's world by design.
We are very proud of this space. We are thrilled to be in this space, and we are grateful for every opportunity we have to share the experience with our clients, with our colleagues, and with our friends.